away we go.
Super play. There's a first example there also, Mark, not of Evra.
Lines of Barcelona's big enemies, Real Madrid. Barcelona, incidentally, do go back to their stripes next season. Here we go. Oh, and it's a problem for Valdez.
What a block. Gerard Piqué, I'm thinking it's definitely him. What a block. Because Valdez has no idea about this. And United pounce on it. And it's...
Carrick. Ronaldo. And, well, his last 2 goals in this competition have been from that sort of range. Why not?
But they haven't started like that.
In trouble here. Oh. It really was a chance for a player of his stature, even though it was... this is Iniesta, though. Oh, Eto's opened it up. Well, how about that for smash and grab? It's been all Manchester United, but after 9 minutes, Samuel Eto'o crowns the first real attack. Ronaldo, as they try to put together a counter-attack here, and Ronaldo, referee absolutely on the spot.
They'll book him definitely, but I think there's a defender around the back, Yaya Toure, so I think it'll just be yellow.
Here goes Ryan Giggs, can't quite keep it down. Only the start of all the attackers. Messi!
Now, where does he get it from? And a frame so slight.
Carrick. Ronaldo. Taking on Yaya Toure, taking on the goalkeeper as well.
Just trying to do it all on his own. I just think he might have used Wayne Rooney there. Wayne Rooney puts his arms out, so Rio Ferdinand can't go now.
Ronaldo gets his head to where he is again. He's bumped over, and although Henry played on, the referee Memento wants to really show what he can do from the free kick.
Yeah, close.
To the climate as well.
Well, it might be. I think the climate is something we'll wait for later.
Here's Messi. Oh, and Van der Sar. Smooth, that's got Henry bearing down on goal. He's got Messi to look for, but he's in. Henry and Van der Sar. I think it's not too early to say. Keeps keeping going on the up in the lead, and very nearly 2 up. And they're asking for a penalty here.
Oh, Messi's convinced.
They're not quite on the line, but their hopes may be on the line here. Well, it can't come much closer without actually being too... Now Rooney on the right in the second half. And the cross, that eludes Ronaldo and bounces over Park, coming in from the opposite flank.
Well, the firmness
here, because Henry's looking dangerous from his favoured left position.
Easy in the end. Got to keep that. As you said, they're just hooking a leg at that. Just bring it down.
It's 2-0. It's Messi. He's scored against an English club now. It's Manchester United at a crucial time with 20 minutes to go.
Well, earlier...
Here's Giggs. And Berbatov. And Giggs. And Ronaldo.
What an opportunity. Valdez makes the save.
Ball drags up. Yeah. The creativity of Manchester United, but Barcelona could be in big again. Ronaldo catches Puyol, who initially I thought it got away from him, and was still at the moment. Barcelona winning the final. Oh, and that would have put it absolutely beyond doubt.
Thumping header from Puyol. Here's a threat.
Inside Puyol, pursued by Ronaldo.
That last too much. Ronaldo will probably get booked now. Yeah.
Card is out for him.
Puyol's just got to him. Simple as that. He's done him when he minds games.
This is Iniesta. Busquets is still down. Manchester United don't want to put the ball out. The referee has stopped it, and it's a yellow card. Brilliant from Barcelona. Puyol smothered by Van der Sar. And a brave reclaim as well. And Puyol's got a problem. Eto. Barcelona, the new champions of Spain, are the new champions of Europe. It's a treble in all. 10 years after United's own, and Guardiola has had a fantastic first season. Victory for him against the veteran manager. For Manchester United, it is arrivederci in Roma to their Champions League crown. A second successive success eludes them, and it is the end of their 25-game unbeaten run in this competition.